Hello, in this video I will share with you the features of combination screencast feedback with token head. First of all, record your video on the application you are using. After you add your voice and open your camera, you can start the record. The feedback provider's face will be shown here. And also the token head image can be moved to a different corner during the editing. While you are giving your feedback, you can use the features of the application you are using. After giving your feedback, you can start to edit your recording. You can cut the screencast, add annotations, text boxes, or titles for enhanced visualization and structure. And also, if it is required, you can add a separate voice recording. Finally, you can save the screencast in the desired format to share with the others. However, depending on the app that is used, the available features might differ from the ones that are shown here.